So role of counselors in and gender issues means we have seen the roles of lawyers, roles of women in the family court. Now lastly it was given role of counselor in the family court. So there are few states such as Maharashtra which counselor play a very considerable role promoting the negotiation and settlements. Means in the Maharashtra like Mumbai, in there counselor were playing a very important role or to negotiate your issues, है ना, negotiate कराने की कोशिश करता है, settlement कराने की कोशिश करता है in the family related matter. Women's groups contend that the counselor should be in the there also women's groups are made it. So there the women's groups are contained that counselor should be trained with gender sensitivity as a neutral stance of counselor usually ends up being anti-woman. Means that women will be trained by the gender sensitivity. Means that person will be trained through their gender issues. Means like women's cases are mostly come in the family courts, है ना. So the counselor must understand the situation of the women's. They have to end up with the anti-women's and influenced by long-standing patriarchal bias against women's biases. जो आपके patriarchal means men's are highest against the women as compared from the women's. तो इस society का ये जो setup है mind patriarchal society जो आपकी है उसे देखते हुए आपको सेंसिटिव काउंसलर को उसको काउंसिल करना पड़ेगा, उसको सेटलमेंट करना पड़ेगा इश्यूज़ को. सो वुमेन्स ग्रुप्स हैज़ डिमांडेड क्लियरली defined frameworks for gender justice in practice of the family court. So women are demanding for gender issues that they have to give the equal importance as compared from the men, especially with respect to the role of counselor in order to avoid gender biases in the process of fulfilling the statute mandated of speedy settlement and protect and preserve the family. Especially they want that the counselor must be a woman. They have to respect the sensitivity of the woman or to avoid the late delay in the process. They have wants that a speedy settlement and preserve the family. क्योंकि family preserved है. You have to counsel like that family उनकी break नहीं हो, है ना. So for example, in order to accomplish the mandate of reconciliation, some counselor grants women to reconcile and return to the spouse's homes disregarding women's human dignity. Some counselor are saying that women have to obey their husbands, है ना. husband ने जितना भी गलत किया नहीं counsel करके उनकी dignity को हट करते हुए उनको वापस घर भेज देते हैं. फिजिकली सेफ्टी को देखते हुए, इकोनॉमिकली राइट्स को देखते हुए दे काउंसिल दैट नहीं यू हैव टू ओबे योर हस्बैंड, जो भी वो कर रहा है वो सही नहीं है, हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन यू हैव टू लिव अलॉन्ग विद हिम ओनली बिकॉज यू विल बी हैविंग फिजिकल सेफ्टी एंड इकोनॉमिक राइट्स यू हैव. But in other instances where the women have physically abused, thrown out of their matrimonial homes, have demanded maintenance under Section 125. Maintenance is given under Section 125 of CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code. So the counselor and lawyer have regularly and successfully sought conciliation, which is agreed to be a legal track that undermines women's claims to maintenance. Means in that case if women are physically abused or physically tortured और घर से बाहर भगा दिया गया तो in that case lawyers and counselor have to play a very important role. They have to give the maintenance, demand the maintenance from their families and satisfy that women's. Likewise, family issues are nuanced, means experience and have legal complicities. आपको पता family issues are very having legal complicity. Gender sensitivity may help counselor to not mindly take neutral position but consider the unequal power relationship between men and women in the conciliation and settlement processes. Means in that also gender sensitivity को देखते हुए the counselor have to play a neutral role and they have to maintain the relationship between men and women and wants to settle their disputes. One of the major criticism by the women's groups about the Family Court Act and the family justice system as a whole is that, what was the criticism? This line you have to take. What was the criticism which women's group face in the family court? Is that conceptual bias of gender justice. जो जेंडर इनजस्टिस होता है, नहीं वुमेन्स हैव टू हैव अ लो पोजिशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मैन, नहीं वुमेन्स को उनके सामने झुकना ही होगा. जेंडर इश्यूज इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इज लेफ्ट आउट फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी, दैट मस्ट बी लेफ्ट आउट फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. So instead the family court focus on the preservation of the family, the consolation, and in this speedy manner women's group have always maintained the preservation of families, not ceremonies with gender justice or right of the women. लेकिन आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि जो आपकी काउंसलिंग है स्पीडी जस्टिस चाहिए, हाँ वुमेंस की डिमांड चाहिए, बट वुमेंस ग्रुप सिर्फ यही चाहती कि वो अपनी फैमिली को प्रिजर्व कर सके और उनकी डिग्निटी बन सके, और दे हैव अ इक्वल वैल्यू in front of the men's. Rights of the women must be maintained.